What's a social memory complex? Is it like the hive mind, like the bees and the ants?
Well, that's a good example. A lot of second density creatures do have telepathic communication. You see a school of fish, they all go the same direction. Flock of birds go the same direction. The bees, they do all their work together. They know how to cooperate. And they go through telepathy. But when we get here, human beings, because it was decided, apparently, by our logos, when the logos decided to invest the ape form with consciousness to bring it forth into the third density, that it would be better if it did not communicate telepathically, because it would have to work harder to polarize its consciousness and be more efficient if it was not able to do telepathy, because telepathy is kind of a shortcut. And if you take the hard way of going through that veil of forgetting, oddly enough, it makes it more efficient to polarize your consciousness when you don't know all the truths about the nature of reality being made of love and light and unity. There is still that little something within your being that knows there's more to life than what I'm experiencing. And so you become a seeker. I want to seek what I know is there. There's something about that. And that helps to polarize your consciousness more than if you already knew all that. Like I said before, if you knew you were the creator and everybody was the creator and everything was perfect and unified, there would be no reason to move out of that state, that Edenic state of consciousness, and you wouldn't go any further. People were like that in the third density millions of years ago. There was no veil of forgetting, and they all knew they were the creator. But they stayed in the third density time after time after time because there was no reason to learn from love or fear. They were all the creator. So that's when the Logoi decided that maybe a veil of forgetting, maybe if we separated the conscious and the unconscious minds, maybe that would help, and it did.